Fire is one of the most powerful forces on Earth. For humans, it represents warmth, protection, and progress. But for animals, fire tells a very different story. Across forests, grasslands, and even deserts, most animals instinctively fear fire. This fear is not learned in a classroom or taught by parents alone. It is deeply wired into their survival instincts. So why do animals fear fire? The first reason is evolutionary memory. For millions of years, wildfires have shaped life on Earth. Animals that failed to escape fire rarely survived to pass on their genes. Over time, natural selection favored animals that reacted quickly to heat, smoke, or flames. Today, this instinct remains strong. Even animals that have never encountered fire before often flee at the first sign of smoke or sudden heat. Another major reason is fire's unpredictability. Unlike predators, fire does not think, pause, or change direction with intention. It spreads rapidly, consumes oxygen, and destroys everything in its path. Animals rely on predictable patterns to survive. Fire breaks all of those rules. The crackling sound, bright light, and intense heat overwhelm animal senses, triggering immediate flight responses. Smoke also plays a key role. Many animals have extremely sensitive noses. Smoke signals danger long before flames are visible. In the wild, smoke often means reduced oxygen, difficulty breathing, and loss of visibility. Animals associate this with suffocation and disorientation, so they instinctively move away as fast as possible. Fire also destroys habitat and food sources. For animals, survival depends on shelter, plants, and prey. A fire can erase all of these within minutes. Nesting areas, burrows, and hiding spots vanish, leaving animals exposed. Herbivores lose grazing land, while predators lose prey. This long-term threat reinforces fear, not just of the flames, but of what comes after. Interestingly, not all animals respond to fire in the same way. Some birds are known to flee early, sensing changes in air temperature. Certain reptiles and insects hide underground. A few species have adapted to fire-prone environments and know how to escape quickly. However, even these animals do not like fire. They simply survive it better. Humans are one of the few species that learned to control fire. Animals did not. To them, fire remains an uncontrollable enemy, hot, loud, blinding, and deadly. In the end, animals fear fire because fire represents sudden loss of control. It threatens their breath, their shelter, their food, and their lives. That fear is not weakness, it is wisdom passed down through generations. And that ancient instinct continues to save lives in the wild today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.